Alrighty, I'm going to start my pre-market analysis here. Of course, on my watch list is Tesla. So what I like to do is expand out to the daily chart. It's going to take a second to load because I have too many trades. Anyways, I like to go to the daily chart here and make sure I have all the most important trend lines annotated. Then I'll break it down to the 60-minute. And then I'll also look at this daily chart here, which has a couple different moving averages here. You can see that I have 1,124 is one of the moving averages. I like to keep the moving averages on there to help give me context in my trade. So what I'm gonna do now is move this big thick line here to 1,024. So that on the daily chart, when I'm in the heat of the moment, I can see where the most important resistance lines and support lines are at. So 1,024, let's see if I can, does have to be right on the money, just kind of around that area. Chances that it's going to hit that level is very, very nil. So kind of just throw them in there just in case, What I'm also going to do now is switch to the 24-hour, so this will give me trades for the whole 24-hour trading, and pretty much do the same thing. I'm going to find the most important spots. You can kind of see where it hits quite a bit. You can see it hit here and then exploded. Had trouble getting over this. Once it did, it finally exploded with a green candle. Couldn't close back below. Continued higher. Found more resistance around this area. And then again exploded higher. So what I'm looking for now is Tesla to either break this little level here to test this support, which was resistance at that time. So now I'm going to put that there. And then I'm going to check out the 5-minute time frame here. And as you can see, all the most important resistance lines kind of line up. You can kind of get a visual of it all. So that's my analysis for Tesla. Switch back to the pre-market time because I don't care about 24-hour for the most part. Make sure that I have, you can see that the high here is the 24-hour high. So I might grab this guy here and throw it there just to show me that that's the high of pre-market. So what I'm looking for with Tesla is I'm looking for a push higher to test that level that I just showed you. And I'm a short starting with 5 shares and add into it if it goes higher. You can see this montage here. This is my options. So what I'm going to do now is kind of get a ballpark of where I think this option price might be based on the price and the gap up that it has now. So 1,400 is obviously way too close. I don't want to pay $4,000 for an option. So I'm going to try around the $1,500 area, which still might be pretty expensive, but once the market opens, the time depreciation of that might bring it down a little bit. So I'm also going to get a 1,550 on here as well, so I can kind of switch between the option contract levels by just clicking this button here. Okay, so on the short side, I'm not looking to buy put options because those depreciate much faster during an uptrend, so I'm just going to short with actual stock. All right, here we go. The market's about to open. I'm waiting for that push, like I said, on Tesla here. Let's see if we can get over towards this pre-market high area, 1415, 1420. There we go. Let's get a push. Let's get a push. And I want to see a huge amount of volume. All these shorts getting just annihilated. And then I'm going to go short. Then I'm going to go short. Let's switch this to 1500. You can see that there's a lot of, looks like there might be some indecision right now. I'm not sure, people are not sure what it's going to do. And so a lot of traders are sitting on the sideline, like myself. I will not be gambling right now unless I see a huge, huge opportunity. Now, if Tesla can flush down, if we can rip to like this 1370 area, I might try to hit it with some options here and try to capitalize on a quick bounce. On my other screen, I see Amazon is just dumping, and so is the whole market. Actually, I'm looking at the market, just absolutely dumping. If we can't get a solid push here on Tesla, I'm going to see if I can get a short here with the 1400 protection. Over 1400, I want to get out. Under 1400, I'm going to keep it. Oh, and I just missed it. Damn it. I just missed it. That move, was worth about $10 or so. But my game plan now, I would really love to see Tesla just dump to this close of yesterday. That would be so nice, and I would hit it hard with some options. Market looks like it's recovering a little bit. I wish I can show you my screen, but it won't slide over. So Tesla, or this screen that you're watching now, is the only one you get to watch. Okay, so let's see if Tesla can push higher. If not, then I'm going to short it. I want to see just a quick little pop higher. Then I want to see the sellers just get annihilated here, but it's holding up pretty good. Yeah, might try to. I'm not sure what to do, honestly. I might take a quick short here, but the market is ripping higher now. Yep, market's ripping higher. This might be a good time to go long with some options if I was really aggressive. I'm going to go long. Something's happening in the market. Let's see if okay, I got a couple fill here, 24.23. Come on, let's get a push higher, break high day. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Rip over high, rip over high. Let's go, let's go. You can see here's my open P&L. I'm looking for a high towards 1420. Come on, keep ripping. You can really see on the level too that the buyers are just not letting go. Just not letting go. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, I only had 2 options. Damn it. I'm gonna see if this can push over. I want to see it past 30 here. Quick pullback, and then another. I think it might do a quick pullback and then kind of ramp up again over. I think it's going to get over 1420, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it's holding up. It's holding up here pretty good. Market Nasdaq is ripping higher, just ripping. I can't believe I only got 2 fills there. Damn it. I don't like, so the market's ripping higher and Tesla was not joining the party. And so I just got out here. You can see that I'm already up $1,100 in 3 minutes. I'll keep the recording going, but I'll probably honestly not trade anymore. And unless something amazing happens, but I'm pretty comfortable with that. If I made that every day for the course of the year, that's over $200,000. But quickly analyzing what's going on with Tesla, yeah, I was literally about to say I think it's going to push higher. It did reach that 1420, like I mentioned. I think actually I'm going to take a short here and just see what I can get with these. Only 5 shares or so, but I think it's just going to push a little bit here, and then I think it might roll over. I think it's going to roll over. You can see I really missed out on those options. I mean, I could have, if I held a little bit longer, I could have made $1,000. What's it, $1,000? Yeah, almost $1,000 per option had I just hung on to it. You can see I sold at 29 and 30 respectively, and 39 and 40. So, but at the end of the day, beggars can't be choosers, and it's all risk reward, right? Like, I'm comfortable with what I had, so I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to force it. But you can see with those only 5 shares, I'm down already 40, 50 bucks. But I'm going to look for almost like an exhaustion candle, or like a candle that shows me that I think it's going to roll over here. Because I honestly think, I don't know, honestly, Tesla is obviously very overextended, but like I said in my pre-market analysis, I really think that stocks can move a lot farther than you think, and I don't want to get stuck in that. So if we can get a wash towards 1420, I might just get out for a quick loss here. I don't want to force it. Well, the market's coming down now. This could be the exhaustion candle that I was talking about, but you can see the 5 minutes really, really strong. I'm just going to go ahead and take some off here because I just don't want to force it. I just don't want to force it because it just, you can see the sellers. Anytime the sellers try to eat away at the buyers, they're just replenishing. You can see right there, 14, just hit 14.18 and immediately bought back up. Immediately. Now, if we can get back under 14.18, then I think the buyers could potentially get out in fear. But I'm going to take some more off here because I just think it's too strong and I don't want to play this game. I don't want to play this game at all. Now, if we can get a wash towards that 1400 area, then it could look juicy for another push higher. Could look juicy for another push, but let's see what's going on here. I'm watching the market on my left screen. Amazon's dumping on my right screen. Market's still holding up. See, this candle right there is telling me if it can stay above that 14.15 without crashing lower, it might find some support here and then roll back up. It could roll back up here. If it can't get under, okay, there we go. There we go. So, but you can see that anytime it dumps, like I'm just not very convinced that it wants to go lower, even though it shows that it's going lower now. It's not very convincing to me. Market's dropping as well. Now, if this shows some support around 14, it might be a good spot to buy some. I don't think I want to risk options at this point because I'm not too convinced, but it could be fun to buy a couple shares here on the long side just for fun bucks. Let's see, we got that 1370 wash. Let's see if I can get some there. There we go. Almost immediately in the money. Let's see. Now, if it dumps here, the market could be wanting having some fun. Let's see if I can get a pullback, because that was a pretty aggressive wash here. If I can get a pullback towards a VWAP, this red line, that could be pretty sweet. Oh, damn it. I didn't mean to hit that button. That sucks. Okay, there's that wash that I was talking about. That was aggressive. I'm going to start hitting some options here. Just so I can get a bounce. Come on, hook me up. There we go. Oh, shoot. 24.55. Let's see if we can get a push higher here towards VWAP. Come on, baby. Let's see if I can sell it. I'm trying to make 100 bucks or so. Okay, close it out. I don't know how much I made there, $50 or so. That is a very aggressive sell candle. So pretty much what I was expecting pre-market, almost on the dot. I was waiting for this push higher, and then that short there. Like if I just was more confident about it, I could have held that short, and that could easily be. What the math on that is? That's almost a couple $100 just at 5 shares. But I love this. I love how the market's dumping. I want to see these options just get annihilated under 20, and then I'm going to start adding. I'm going to start adding there. I like it. I like it a lot. That is a very aggressive move. It's so easy to play this quick bounce on the long side. Just easy peasy. Just easy peasy. That's all I was looking for, you know? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get out there. Okay, I made about $150 there. If we keep dumping, I really like this support area. You can see the high day yesterday just kept hitting it. And then once it finally got out above it, it exploded. And so if we can go test that area, money is to be made. Yeah, I don't think it is. And I was a sissy girl and couldn't hang on to those. That's another $200 that I'm missing out on. $300. Yeah, I do that a lot. But this is my style of trading. I like to get in and out with options. I don't like to hold on and risk my money. I don't know if you can see it or not, but down at the bottom, I'm up 12.94. So it's a pretty good day. Market's showing a huge bottom wick, indicating that it might go a little higher here. And I'm so weird that I have 12.94 and I just want to literally scalp for $5 $5-6 to get over 1300. What a weirdo. Okay, I might actually try it here. I'm going to try this VWAP here. Will be my, I got in way too low there. Will be my stop. I'll probably end up adding into it and look for a little curl over, but I don't know. I doubt that happens. This move right here, this is what I wanted. I wanted to get short up here around 1393 and then sell it around 1387 or so for a couple bucks. Let's see if I can get out here. Just give me a couple dollars, Tesla. Come on. Don't be a dick. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that didn't do much. I'm still down 1293, and that's the move I wanted. If I can see the buyers just depleting, then I'm gonna hop in short. I'm gonna chase it down because that will be the panic candle. That will absolutely be the panic candle. So what will happen is all these people who just got long, if they see that the buyers start to run out, they're going to get out along with everybody else. And there we go. I'm going to short it here. I just chased it pretty good here, but I think it's going to crash under the lows real quick and then get bought back up. And that's what I want. I want to get out on this little wash candle like this, but I want it to be more aggressive towards 1370. But as you can see, it immediately went against me, so that's not fun. It's showing me that the buyers found this level support, like how I have it drawn up here, this support line. So that is a huge indicator that it's going to go higher. And I'm going to go ahead and get out here. SOB. Now what I want is I want Tesla to come down a little bit, test that, and buyers to step up, and that's when I'm going to get in to go long. And that's what I should have done. I should have, you just never know, but that was a great candle for me to get in because it was bought right back up. But this green candle, the red candle, green candle again, showing me that there's a lot of indecision here. And market's moving higher, so that Tesla's all sorts of confused right now with me. Let's see if it can wash under the lows. That's when I'm going to chase it down again. But oh, it's not going to do that. This could potentially be another good short because the market looks a little overextended. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to let it go. I think I'm just going to let it go. I got the action that I wanted in this here and this here, and you know, that's all I need for today. All right, I hope that helped.